The UB trades are very rule-based. We came out with it, and again, we're trying to create a path for people who are more beginner. With the UB 1, 2, and 3 trades, they're very strict rule-orientated, and you just trade by whatever rules you happen to be trading. Within the UB 1, 2, and 3 programs, we do have some variances there where you can put some subjectivity into it, but it's minimal. With the X4 trades, we come in and they're similar, but you'll notice they're different adjustment styles. The X4 version 22 is going to be very much like Russell M3, and with guidelines and adjustment changes that reflect better way to deal with the SPX in general, because we were asked about the SPX, and therefore we have different delta limits, and we have some little variances in the way it's traded. And you can take anything we do with the X4, it's more of an advanced M3 profile trade, the version 22. You can take anything with that, you can apply it to a Russell M3 trade as well.